Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are trying out a viral mascara hack. Now this is a viral mascara hack by Taylor Tripler. She is absolutely amazing and I just wanted to see whether this actually works because she claims that we have been doing our mascara the wrong way for a really long time. So let's just hop into this video. So guys, I'm going to be starting off with the Sumptuous Mascara by Estee Lauder. So she says go around. Okay. Oh, still like I'm scared it's gonna go in my eye. Okay, and now up. So this is what it actually turned out like. It's a little bit clumpy, but let's just move on to the side and then we can come back and decide. So we take the top. Oh. And then we'll go up. I personally feel that this is extremely messy because see what happened to my eyes on the top and bottom. Also your wand can actually hurt your eye, so I'm a little bit skeptical and scared about that. So now we're just going to actually clean it up. So of my Q-tip. Oh, this dude is in bad shape. And clean up. I put on some micellar water on the Q-tip. So it's like what normal mascara actually does. If you compare this to the video that I did the other day with the hairdryer volumizing my lashes, that actually did a better job. So I don't actually like this hack. It's very messy. Well, if you use eyeliner on a daily basis then it's okay, but I didn't want my lash to look like this on the lower. I just wanted it to be simple. So I don't actually like it and it clumps up real fast. So if you don't have a wand that is separated very easily, it's not going to work for you. I'm just going to go on and do my bottom lashes so we can see how it actually looks. So guys, this actually made my eyes look a whole lot more sad, like droopy. Also, it made my lashes very messy. I'm really not happy with what just happened. So guys, that's it for me today. This was a real no-no. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.